This is Coach Mike Patello back with you on another edition of the Back Office tutorial for Artists International. On this video, we're going to talk about something that people sometimes have questions about, and that is the 40% rule. Now, I'm in our test account right now, Mr. Carlos Cafe. So we're going to go in. You're on the home page right now, right when you log into your back office. When you want to look at the 40% rule, you're going to click on My Organization right here. You click on My Organization, a new screen is going to come up, and it's automatically going to bring up information about your current activity in your downline. But if you go up here under the subheadings, you'll see 40% rule. Now, when you click 40% rule, one or two things are going to happen. No matter what your rank is in the company, if you have not purchased your personal qualifying order yet, the day that you're looking, when you click 40% rule, it's going to say you currently do not have a rank. The reason for that is if you're not qualified with your personal order, you don't have a rank. You have to place your personally qualified order to have a rank to even see anything about the 40% rule. So no matter if you're a brand new distributor or a platinum president, if you want to look at the 40% rule, your personal qualifying order would have to be in first. Now, let's just say that you are qualified with your personal order. When you click on the 40% rule, it's going to automatically bring up what level that you are currently qualified at. In this case, it says I'm qualified as manager. Yours may show advisor, coordinator, supervisor, but this is showing I'm qualified as a manager right now. You see the little check mark, and it's right there. Now it's going to show what I'm capped at. That means the qualification. So if you look over here to the right, what is the volume required to be a manager? Well, it's 6,000. But my actual volume is 7,392, so I pass to be a manager. Notice right here, there's a little button that you can click and actually see where you're capped at. It shows you the leg. In other words, these are ID numbers. So it's going to show you the ID numbers of people in your organization. It'll show you their actual volume that they have. And then it'll show that it's capped no more than 2,400 points can come from any leg to be qualified as a manager. Because this one has 2,780, capped at 2,400. Since none of these equal 2,400, you can count all of that volume from each of these distributors towards your qualification of 6,000. Now, you may say, want to be a director. Now, you're not qualified as a director yet, but if you want to see where you're at right now and what you have to achieve to be a director, you can click that. It's going to show you the next position above. It's going to say qualify as a director. No, it's got a X right there. It says you're not qualified. Required is 18,000 in volume, and the volume that you actually have is 7,772. So there's an X right there that says you don't pass that qualification. And it shows you where you're capped at again, the same volume. But notice, as a director, you can be capped at 7,200 in each leg. So you get to count all the volume on this leg going towards director. So if you can push this volume up to 18,000, you get higher caps on the qualification. Just to clarify, each level that you go up, your caps are going to get higher. Basically what capped means is that you can't count any more than this volume from one individual leg towards your qualification. Now, you still get paid on all that volume, you just can't count it to be qualified to earn that rank. I hope that helps you understand the 40% rule. The 40% rule, the easiest way to figure out what you need is you simply take the volume that is required. If we're looking, we want to be qualified as a director and we need 18,000. You would simply take 18,000. So I can get a calculator out right here. I can take 18,000 and I'm going to times it times 40%, and that is 7,200. So you simply take the volume times 40%, that's the 40% rule, and you're going to get this number right here, which means that no more than 7,200 in volume can count towards your qualification in each leg. So I hope that helps the understanding of the 40% rule. Make sure to check out all the other video tutorials for the Artist Back Office.